Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of the year, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza. Whether you're a city dweller looking for a versatile ride or someone in need of a reliable, efficient family car, the Brezza promises to deliver on all fronts. Let's dive in and explore why this little SUV is making such big waves in the automotive world. First up, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Brezza comes with a sleek and modern exterior that blends boldness with sophistication. At the front, you've got this aggressive grille and sharp LED projector headlights, which not only enhance its road presence, but also add to the SUV vibe. The Brezza now sports a more sculpted body, with crisp lines along the sides and a striking two-tone paint option that gives it a more premium look compared to previous models. The alloy wheels add a nice touch of flair, while the high ground clearance ensures you're ready to tackle both city streets and rougher terrains. It's easy to use and responds quickly, and the inclusion of a wireless charging pad adds convenience for your devices. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather, and you get features like a multi-information display, automatic climate control, and even a sunroof on higher variants. There's also plenty of space for passengers, with comfortable seating both in the front and back. And speaking of passengers, the Brezza has a generous boot space, which means you'll have no problem packing up for your next weekend getaway. Performance-wise, the 2025 Brezza is offered with a choice of a 1.5-litre petrol engine, paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. The petrol engine is tuned for efficiency, delivering around 103 horsepower. That makes it punchy enough for city driving and highway cruising. When it comes to safety, the Brezza comes loaded with features. You get dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a rear-view camera as standard across the range. The higher trims also come with features like ESP and hill hold assist, ensuring you're always in control no matter the driving conditions. Now, what sets the 2025 Brezza apart from its competitors? Well, it's not just about the design or the features. It's about the value it offers. Maruti Suzuki has managed to strike a balance between affordability and quality. The Brezza is priced competitively, offering a premium feel without the premium price tag, and that's something that's always in demand. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews like this one. Got questions about the Brezza or any other car? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, drive safe and take care.